Exploring planet Earth, a journey through diverse ecosystems. Our planet is a wondrous place, teeming with a myriad of ecosystems. Each ecosystem is a complex network of interconnected organisms and their environment, working in harmony. These ecosystems are the web that supports all life on Earth, making our planet a unique and vibrant landscape of biodiversity. An ecosystem is a dynamic entity comprising of living organisms like animals, plants, and microorganisms, intertwined with non-living components such as air, water, and soil. It's a delicate balance where each component relies on the others, creating a symbiotic relationship that ensures survival and growth. Ecosystems serve as the lifeblood of our planet, playing a crucial role in the sustenance of all life forms. They provide us with oxygen, food, clean water, medicines, and a host of other resources. Moreover, they regulate climate, filter pollutants, and offer protection against disasters like floods and storms. One of the key aspects of an ecosystem is biodiversity, the variety of life in a particular habitat. Biodiversity ensures the resilience of ecosystems, allowing them to adapt and survive in the face of changes. It's a testament to nature's strength and diversity, where each species, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health and equilibrium of the ecosystem. Rainforests are amongst the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. They are a bustling hub of life, housing nearly 50% of the world's species. From towering trees and vibrant flowers to exotic birds and elusive wildcats, rainforests are a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet. Despite their seeming invincibility, they are delicate systems, highly susceptible to changes in climate and human interference. The rainforest is a vibrant ecosystem, teeming with a diversity of life unlike any other on Earth. Its dense foliage is home to millions of species, many of which remain undiscovered. This unparalleled biodiversity is a veritable treasure trove of potential scientific breakthroughs and natural wonders. However, rainforest ecosystems are under threat from deforestation. The rampant clearing of trees for agriculture, logging, and urbanization is eroding these rich habitats. This not only spells doom for the countless species that call the rainforest home, but also disrupts the balance of our planet's climate. Shifting our focus to the desert ecosystem, the harsh conditions do not imply a lack of life. Instead, deserts showcase an extraordinary array of life forms, each uniquely adapted to survive in the arid conditions. From cacti to camels, these species exhibit remarkable resilience and adaptability. Adaptation is the key to survival in the desert. Desert organisms have developed fascinating adaptations to conserve water and beat the heat. For instance, some plants store water in their tissues, while many animals are nocturnal, thus avoiding the scorching daytime heat. The ocean ecosystem, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface, houses a diverse mix of species, each playing a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. This underwater world, dominated by coral reefs, provides shelter to a multitude of marine organisms, forming a complex, interconnected web of life. An exploration of the ocean ecosystem unfurls a world teeming with life, from the microscopic plankton to the enormous blue whale. These marine habitats, covering about 71% of the Earth's surface, play a pivotal role in regulating the planet's climate and are integral to our survival. Delving deeper into the marine life and coral reefs, we find a fascinating diversity. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, house about a quarter of all marine species. These vibrant ecosystems, however, are under grave threat due to climate change and other human-induced disturbances. Understanding these threats to ocean ecosystems is critical. Overfishing, oil spills, plastic pollution, and ocean acidification are some of the major concerns affecting marine life. The repercussions of these actions will not only lead to a decline in biodiversity, but also impact human life that heavily relies on the oceans for food, oxygen, and climate regulation. Turning our attention to the polar ecosystems, we find life thriving in extreme conditions. These ecosystems, comprising the Arctic in the north and Antarctica in the south, are home to unique species such as polar bears, penguins, seals, and various types of algae and bacteria. Life in the extreme cold is not easy. Polar bears, with their thick fur and layer of blubber, are well adapted to the chilly conditions, while penguins rely on their streamlined bodies and strong flippers to navigate the icy waters. However, climate change poses a significant threat to these creatures, disrupting their habitat and food sources. Climate change has been particularly harsh on polar ecosystems, leading to melting ice caps and threatening the survival of species that call this extreme environment their home. Polar bears and penguins, which have adapted to thrive in these icy conditions, are now facing numerous challenges due to the rapidly changing climate. Mountain ecosystems, often isolated and harsh, are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. These living organisms have, over time, evolved to survive in this environment with reduced oxygen and extreme temperatures. However, the increasing human encroachment and climate change are posing grave threats to their survival. Transitioning to the grassland ecosystems, these areas are often thought of as the breadbaskets of the world. They play a crucial role in supporting a large variety of wildlife. Interestingly, wildfires, often seen as destructive, are in fact a necessary part of the life cycle of these grasslands, helping to maintain biodiversity and nutrient-rich soil. Wetland ecosystems play an essential role in maintaining the Earth's water balance. They act as natural water filters, trapping pollutants and sediments, and thereby provide clean water. Wetlands are also rich in biodiversity, with numerous species developing amazing adaptations to thrive in waterlogged conditions. Urban ecosystems represent an interesting dichotomy. As humans continue to expand cities and towns, these urban environments inadvertently create new habitats. While these may offer opportunities for certain species, urbanization often leads to habitat loss and threatens biodiversity. The balance between urban development and nature conservation is a delicate one, requiring careful planning and sustainable practices. The grassland ecosystems are a remarkable testament to survival. These flat, open regions are home to a variety of flora and fauna that have adapted to the often harsh conditions, including extreme temperature variations, frequent droughts, and seasonal wildfires. These wildfires, though destructive, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of these ecosystems by triggering the growth of new plants and controlling pests. Yet, the wetland ecosystems stand as the Earth's natural water filters. These diverse habitats, which include marshes, swamps, and bogs, are home to an array of life forms. They have a unique ability to purify water, control flooding, and provide habitats for a multitude of species. Wetlands are also known for the amazing adaptation techniques adopted by their resident species to thrive in the frequently waterlogged conditions. The rapid growth of cities and towns has given rise to a new kind of ecosystem, the urban ecosystem. These man-made habitats are a blend of the natural world and human-made structures. They are characterized by high levels of pollution, reduced biodiversity, and a wide range of domesticated and wild species that have adapted to live in close proximity to humans. However, the impact of urbanization on biodiversity is profound. While some species have adapted to urban life, many others have seen their natural habitats destroyed, leading to a decline in their populations. Urbanization often results in habitat fragmentation, pollution, and increased human-wildlife conflict, all of which pose significant threats to biodiversity. The importance of forest ecosystems cannot be understated. These biodiverse habitats serve as the Earth's lungs, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are home to a broad range of species, from towering trees to the smallest insects, each playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of these intricate ecosystems. As we delve into the realm of forest ecosystems, we find a world teeming with life and complexity. These ecosystems serve as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, providing a crucial service for all life on Earth. Forests are home to a vast array of species, from the smallest insects to towering trees, all intricately connected in a web of life. They are also a key source of resources, providing timber, food, and medicinal plants that humans rely on. In the heart of these forests, we find an incredible array of woodland creatures. From the silent owl, stalking its prey under the cover of night, to the industrious beaver, building dams that reshape the landscape, each creature plays a role in maintaining the health of the forest. Their behaviors and interactions create a dynamic, ever-changing ecosystem that is fascinating to observe and crucial to protect. However, these precious ecosystems face significant threats from human activity. Deforestation, driven by the demand for timber and agricultural land, is destroying habitats at an alarming rate. Pollution, climate change, and the introduction of invasive species further exacerbate the problem, disrupting the delicate balance of these ecosystems and threatening the survival of countless species. The intricate web of life in our planet's ecosystems is not isolated. Each ecosystem is interconnected with others. The health of our oceans impacts our forests, and the state of our grasslands affects our wetlands. The migration of species, the flow of water, and the transfer of nutrients are just a few examples of how these systems are intertwined. Their interconnection makes it all the more crucial that we take action to preserve each and every one. In conclusion, humans play a critical role in the preservation of our planet's ecosystems. Our actions have the power to either harm or help these intricate systems. It is our responsibility to make choices that benefit our planet, ensuring the survival of these ecosystems and the diverse life they support for generations to come.